Hey everybody. Okay, so for tonight's homework, you were doing 1.8, and that was on page 51 and 52. And there we go, right there. So let's look at the first question for tonight. Sam wants to buy a snack for a vending machine. He needs exactly $3.20. Complete the table to find the different ways he could pay for the snack. Let's take a look at this table here. It's already telling us he's going to have on this first question here that there's $3, right? So we need to get to $3.20. So in class, somebody was saying, well, if I added 2 dimes, that's $3.20. So that's one way of getting it. Now, and another way that was mentioned in class that there was $2 and then we had added 4 quarters, which is equal to $1. So that makes it $3. And then we have our 2 dimes. And now that makes it $3.20. I'm just going to place zeros here to show that I'm using 0 nickels and 0 quarters. I'm going to place a 0 here in line 2 to show that I have 0 nickels. Let's look at the next one. I have $2. I'm going to also include 4 quarters is equal to $1, so that's $3 already. I will have 1 dime, which is $3.10, and then I can add 2 nickels for $15.20. And the last one, I have a $2 bill. I have 3 quarters because that makes it $2.75. I add a nickel to that, that's $2.80. I have 4 dimes, it's 80, 90, $1, so that's $3 and 10, 20, it's $3.20. So you can make those different combinations to equal to $3.20. Let's move to question number 2. This one we talked about, this is the same as repeated addition or multiplication. So Mandy is buying popcorn for herself and 5 friends. Each bag of popcorn costs 95 cents. How much do 6 bags of popcorn cost? We're going to complete this table. So I have my whiteboard over to the right. So we're going to go ahead and work out. Again, you can do repeated addition, or it will be or multiplication. In class, I showed you both ways. So I'm going to have 95 cents, and we did that twice because that says that it'll be 2 bags. So this is group 1, group 2. 9 plus 9 equals 18 plus 1 is 19. I regroup. 1 plus 1, 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 1. So that would be $1.90. And that will come over here to put my little dollar sign, and this is $1.90. Another way of doing it is if I added a nickel to my 95 cents and a nickel to my other 95, that's already $2. I'm going to take 10 cents away, makes it $1.90. Then I'm going to go ahead and do my repeated addition because this is 1 group, 2 groups, and I'm going to add a 3rd group. Not 90 cents. Oh, goodness, not 9 cents. I need 95 cents. And then this is going to be 95 cents. And that's 5. 9 plus 9 is 18. Regroup. It's $2.85. I'm going to bring that over here. All right. I'm going to continue doing my repeated addition. So that's 1, 2, 3. That's 4 groups. 5 plus 5 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. Plus 8 is 18. 2, 3. So that's $3.80. I'm just going to kind of move this up a bit so that you can see that. And back over to my pen. We said that we're going to continue the repeating addition. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to add another 95 cents to it. So this makes it at 5, right? So here I have 5. 9 plus 8 equals 17. Regroup my 1, bring down my decimal. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So this is $4.75. Then I'm going to add my last group of 6 in. 5 plus 5 is 10. Regroup. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 7 is 17. Regroup. 4 plus 1 equals 5. And it's $5.70. So I'm going to check my work. I'm going to go ahead and do my multiplication on this one right here just to see where I'm at. So I'm going to scoot this over just a tad. And I said that it was going to be 95. Well, I'm going to have 95 cents. I'm going to move out my decimal twice. I'm going to multiply this by 6. Because I moved my decimal out twice, I'm going to need to move it back in my product. So 6 times 5 equals 30. 6 times 9 is 54 plus 3, 54. That's 55, 56, 57. I'm moving back in my decimal 1, 2. And do I get the same answer? Absolutely. So I have $5.70. Remember that repeated addition is the same as multiplication. Excellent. All right, let's look at this next one. Here we're talking about that Orlando is buying 6 bottles of water. Each bottle of water costs $1.19. How much do 6 bottles of water cost? And now we're again using this one. Same concept that we can use repeated addition or multiplication. So if I have $1.19, and we did this in class together, $1.19. This is where I made a mistake in the third period. This is 18. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. So it's $2.38. And then I add another $1.19. That's 17. 3, 4, 5. Bring down my decimal. That's $3.57. I'm going to add another $1.19. That's 16. Regroup. 5, 6, 7. Bring down my decimal. 3 plus 1 is 4. So that is $4.76. I'm going to scoot this up just a bit, and I'm going to continue adding my repeated addition. $1.19. 6 plus 9 equals 15. Regroup my 1. 7, 8, 9. Bring down my decimal. 4, 5. That's $5.95. And then the last one, that's 14. 9 plus 5 equals 14. Regroup. 9, 10, 11. 5, 6, 7. So $7.14. 9, 10, 11. I'm going to write this down here. All right, so now let's go ahead and multiply that out to make sure that what I wrote, I'll just move that over just a bit, is the same. So we had $1.19. I'm going to multiply that by 6. I'm going to kind of follow along. So 9 times 6 is 54. Do I end in a 4? Yes. So 6 times 1 is 6 plus 5 is 11. Do I end in a 1? Very good. And I move this out twice. And I regroup. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1 is 7. There we go. Remember, if I moved it out 2, I'm moving it back in, and it's $7.14. So there we go. That's how much they spent on 6 bottles. All right, on this one right here, we did most of it in class. And all you had to do was finish it out. So here at the end of September, Ms. Diaz had an account balance of $623.41. So I'm going to put, this is going to be September and then balance, right? ALANCE. And go ahead and close that out. And our account balance was 623.41. So this is going to be, and I'm going to move this over. This is actually going to be a drawing. Okay. And then she wrote out a couple of checks. So let's take a look. We said that when you write out a check, that's going to be a withdrawal from your account. So the first check was for $149. The second check, and we had to skip a line, is for $27.50. Let me move this over just a bit. And then we had a deposit. And remember when we said that we make a deposit? That's when we're adding in, right? Our account gets bigger. So that's for $299. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and bring this over. And let's see where we're at. All right, so let's go ahead and continue. Remember that we said it was going to be a deduction, so $149. Oops, that doesn't look like an... There we go, 0 cents. All right, so I'm going to go over to my workstation over here. I'm going to kind of move this out of the way. So I have $623.41, and I'm going to subtract out $149. Remember that sometimes you have to regroup, so don't forget. 1 minus 0 is 1. 4 minus 0 equals 4. Bring down my decimal. I can't take 9 from the 3, so I need to regroup, and this becomes a 13. 13 minus 9 equals what? Very good, it's 4. And then regroup. This becomes a 5. 1, so 11 minus 4 equals, good job, 7. And then that's 4. So that's $474.41. I'm going to kind of check my work. So if I add this, 1 plus 0 is 1. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 9 plus 4, 9, and that's 10, 11, 12, 13. I regroup. That's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I regroup 4, 5, 6. So that is correct. So I'm going to go ahead and write this over here. This is going to be $474.41. Now I need to subtract, there's my decimal, $27.50. Remember that we said that when writing a check, it's a withdrawal, so we want to deduct. We want to subtract. And I'm going to go ahead and move my paper over. So now I have $474.41, and I'm subtracting 27. If I would line up my decimals, be super, super careful about that. So I have $27.50. 1 minus 0 equals 1, and I need to regroup. 4 becomes a 3. This becomes a 14. 14 minus 5, let's see, would that be 8? 9. So it's a 9. Can't take 7 from 3. I need to regroup. That becomes a 6. That's a 13. 6. 6 minus 2 equals 4, and 4. So this now becomes $446.91. Let's make sure that's right. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 9 plus 5 equals 14. I regroup. That's 13, 14. It's right here. Regroup. 4, 5, 6, 7. That's correct. And then 4. Very good. Now we said deposit, so I want to add because it's going to make my balance larger. So I'm going to add in $299. So this is going to be plus 299. And normally I would tell you to separate because I'm looking at minimum space. I'm just going to kind of do this. So I hope that this is okay for you. 9, so that's 91. 1 plus 0 is 1. 9 plus 0 is 9. 6 plus 9 equals 15. Regroup. 9 plus 1 is 10. Plus 4 is 14. Regroup. 4, 5, 6, 7. So our total amount is $745.91. Now let's look to see. Did I mess up someplace? Oh, look how far off. So she said it was $845. So we got, so she said it was $845.91. However, the actual balance is $745.91. And she's off by how much? Very good. She's difference is $100. Makes a huge difference. Oh my gosh. Don't make that problem in your checking account. 100 big ones. All righty. Now let's go ahead and move over to the next page. Let's see, is this going to take me down? Do I need to go across? There we go. One shirt costs $7.90. What is the price of 4 shirts? So again, you can easily repeat addition on here, or so you can do $7.90 plus $7.90 plus $7.90 plus $7.90, or you can group them up. I would prefer that you probably group them, but it's the repeated addition, or you have $7.90 times 4. And I'm just going to move this over just a bit. Now, 4 times 0, and I'm going to move out my decimal. So it looks like it's 790 times 4. 4 times 0 equals 0. 4 times 9 is 36. Regroup. 4 times 7 is 28. 29, 30, 31. Bring in my decimal. So it's $31.60 is your total. All right, let's look at the next one. I'm on number 6. Well, it has checking account balance is $458. He writes a check for $89.20 and donates. I like that word, donates $20 to a local charity. So when you're donating something, are you getting rid of your money? Absolutely. So that makes a subtraction. Then he makes a deposit of $92.19. What's this new balance? Okay, so let's go here and move our paperwork up. He has a beginning balance of $458. He writes a check for $89.20. So I have 0. I can't take that. I'm going to regroup. This becomes a 7. That becomes a 10 tenths. 10 minus 8 equals 10 minus 2 equals 8. So that's 80 cents. Bring down my decimal. I need to regroup. So that's a 4, 17. 9 from 17 equals, very good, it's 8. I cannot take 8 from 4. I regroup again. 14 minus 8 equals 6, and then 3. So he's left with $368.80. And then he donates. I'm just going to take out an additional $20 from his account. So this is 8. 6 minus 2 is 4. So he's left with $348.80. And then he makes a deposit of $98. Oops, nope, $92. Thought I just erased that. $92.19. It's 99. So excuse me, 99. So I'm looking over here and I see $2.99, so I can get rid of these two here. And I have 8 plus 2 is 10. Do I have something in a 0? Yep, they're still going. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 4 is 14. Oops, I know exactly. 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is A. So he has an ending balance of $440.99. Remember, you can pause this video at any time so that you can catch up and then start me up again. Number 7, Theodore buys a sandwich for $4.47 and 2 salads for $5.10. So he buys a sandwich and 2 salads. If he pays with a $20 bill, how much change does he get back? All right, and we're very familiar with those because we've been working on those for some time now. So if he has $5.10 for a salad and he got 2 of those, I already know that that's going to be $10.20, and then he pays $4.47 for a sandwich. So that's 7, 4, 5, 6. Bring down my decimal, my 4, and my 1. All right, and he's going to pay with a $20 bill. I'm going to move this up. And again, I'm not one to like to subtract out. So if I have my $20, I'm going to take 1 penny out and it becomes $19.99, and I have to remember to put that penny back in. So now I'm going to subtract out $14.67. I'm going to look at my answer choices over here to see how I do. 9 minus 7 equals 2. I have one that's ending in a 2. Remember, I have to add my penny, so it's going to be a 3. Ah, this one's questionable right there. 9 minus 6 equals 3. Bring down my decimal. 9 minus 4 equals 5. And then I'm adding in my penny, so it's $5.33. And so the answer is D. Good work.
Miss Rowe.
All right, sorry about that, guys. All right, so now number 8. Let's take a look at that one. Carolyn has 3 quarters, 4 dimes, and 3 nickels. She spends 55 cents. How much money does she have left? Oh, this is fun. So she has 3 quarters. I know that's equal to 75 cents. And she has 4 dimes. That's 40 cents. And she has 3 nickels. That's 15 cents. And she spends 55. Well, look, 40, 55. So she's going to have 75 cents left over. Because here it's already 55 cents. And you could have added them all up and then subtract 55, and then you'll see that you have the 75. But if you wrote it out to the side, you can easily say that's 40, 50, and then plus 5 more is 55. All right, let's go to this next one. Oops, I did not mean to do that. Didn't mean to do that either. I'm going to erase this part right there. There we go. And we're back to the drawing board. And I did it again, didn't I? All right. Okay, so now let's go ahead and finish up with number 9. Mr. Lee has a balance of $237.35 after he wrote 2 checks. So one check was for $350 and the other check was $211.25. So $350.40, and then the other was $211.25. What was the balance before he wrote the check? So now we're going to work backwards. So this is what his balance was. And then after those checks, right? So I'm going to go ahead and let me move this up really quickly. So I'm going to have to add back in the $350.40, and I'm going to have to add back in the check $211.25 plus this is the ending balance. So we're working backwards. So whenever we needed to find out the starting balance in a checkbook, we're going to do the opposite. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, so that's 7, 8, 9, 10. Regroup my 1, bring down my decimal. 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 1 equals 9. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 2 is 7. So the beginning balance was $799. There you go. All right, now let's go to the last problem that we have, and I'm going to kind of move this over. And let me move my sheet up. Andrew bought balloons for his dad's birthday for $5.30. Oh, that was nice. The tax on the balloons is 83 cents. If he pays with a $10 bill, how much change does he receive? Hey guys, this is the same type of question that we see all the time. So I have $5.30 is for the balloons. I'm going to add in the tax. So this is for the balloons. And this is for the tax. So I'm going to bring down my decimal. This is the 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. Regroup. 5 plus 1 equals 6. That looks like a heart. How cute. All right, so if you can say that I said that my decimal looked like a heart, still kind of does a little bit, but not much. Come in for a treat. Now I'm going to pay with a $10 bill. All right, so now we said it's going to be $10, and I need to subtract to see my change. Again, I don't like to subtract by zero, so I'm going to take out my penny, and it becomes $9.99. And I'm going to subtract $6.13. 6 minus 3 equals 6, because I gave the answer. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 9 minus 1 equals 8. Let me make a better 8. Okay, bring down my decimal. 9 minus 6 equals 3. I have to add in my penny. And it becomes $3.87, and that is my answer. There we go. All right, guys, thanks so much. I really appreciate y'all being with me this evening, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great night. Bye.